What do you do when a native English speaker uses a crazy expression and you can't understand? You have to study the expression in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study common expressions in English. Get my foot in the door. Emily and Nick are chatting about their career goals. They're discussing different ways to enter their desired industries. We're almost finished with college, Nick. I'm so excited. Yeah, what are your plans for post-graduation? I'm really passionate about working in the fashion industry, but it's so competitive. Yeah, I feel the same way about the film industry. It's tough to stand out. I've been thinking about taking an internship, even if it's unpaid. I just want to get my foot in the door. You know? That's a good idea. Once you've made some connections, it'll be easier to find more opportunities in the future. Quiz time. What does get my foot in the door mean? Graduate college? Get a first opportunity to start? Be invited to a party? Physically put your foot inside a door. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. Get a first opportunity to start. Teaching moment. If you get your foot in the door, it means you enter, but it's just the first step. The door will not close on you, and this gives you the opportunity to make connections and start working. We use this for your first step into a new profession to meet new people and gain experience. Examples. I started as an assistant in the company just to get my foot in the door, and now I'm a project manager. Taking a part-time job at the bookstore was a great way for me to get my foot in the door in the publishing world. Networking events are a fantastic way to meet people and get your foot in the door in your desired industry. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. College. University. To stand out. To be noticeable or different. An internship. A job in an industry for experience. Networking. Connecting professionally. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.